You need to watch this if you crave travel but can't leave your room. Here's a trip that starts and ends inside a single gaze. Mind ready? Start with a blink. And suddenly the world sinks to a drumbeat. Colors snap like vinyl, streets pulse like bass, and every tiny detail feels cinematic. A coffee cup becomes a mountain, a subway turnstile a canyon, and for a split second you're both lost and found. Adventure isn't always miles. Sometimes it's how you look. Sharper, slower, louder. Meet people who speak in rhythms, laughter as hi-hats, footsteps as snares. You learn to read maps of faces, to find secret alleys in ordinary moments. Fear? It's just suspense in the soundtrack, and curiosity turns that suspense into joy. By the time the beat drops, you've traveled oceans inside a glance, learned whole languages from street signs, and collected tiny, bright souvenirs. A smile, a stranger's advice, a window of sunlight. Adventure through one eye proves life is epic if you let the rhythm lead. Ready for another blink?